And most people aren't looking for your website first and foremost.
Well, I mean, it's nice to have everything, nice to have a holistic campaign. And, we've been offering marketing assistance for 20 or 30 years, everything from the old postcards to door hangers. And now, with our AMP program, doing some of the same things with websites and optimized online listings. And it's just an absolute must. And you can't tell me, look, we're not too far front of when, laundromats did zero marketing. It was a build it and they will come, and I think that is really a significant competitive advantage today to have your act together when it comes to that simple digital marketing. So get it from Jordan, get it from us, get it from all, multiple other companies out there, but just do it. Get it done and your business will benefit.
Yeah, agreed. All right. Sorry to interrupt you, but I thought that was a great point to Google My Business. It's a great point. So.
Yeah. And just what we're talking about, let's talk just a minute about marketing messaging is, keep in mind that at least I think that we're selling time savings and convenience, and we're selling clean clothes. Two things that rarely come up in the marketing messaging in our industry.
Yeah.
It's Dollar Tuesdays, it's half off of this or free load, and we're not talking about the fact that we get your clothes cleaner, right? And we can get it done faster, and so when we're thinking about the messaging, don't revert to selling on price, because if you're a good laundromat owner, you can't sell on price because you're doing too good of a job. You have well-trained attendants, good equipment, a clean environment, and those things conspire to make sure that you have to get a fair vend price. So will there be price shoppers? Yeah, they can stay in their apartments and do laundry there. They can go to a crummy laundromat down the street. But if you infuse that into your marketing, that this is a better place to do the wash, I think that's a more powerful message. And, over the years, we've done some consumer research, what are laundromat customers looking for? And we did it several years ago. I kind of took those results from that survey and I synthesized it into kind of a motto. And I'll try it out on you, Jordan. Laundromat customers want time savings and convenience in a clean, safe environment that's close to home. One more time. Laundromat customers want time savings and convenience in a clean, safe environment that's close to home.
Yeah, I mean, there's not really much more to it than that, right? Like that's,
yeah. And if you ask laundromat owners, they want price, they want price, they want price, they want price. Well, that's kind of what we hear. And yes, there are price shoppers, but the lion's share of customers looking for value, right? And I think if you're going to do the marketing, let's make sure that messaging gets across: clean clothes, saving time, and taking good care of your family.
Yeah. And I think that I've felt this, and I see this all the time in like the forums and the Facebook groups and everything, where we're afraid of price. Like as owners, generally speaking, like we're afraid of price. People are afraid to raise their prices. I've been afraid to raise my price, and it's a genuine fear. But, what you're saying, what we've had, so many of the top operators that we've had on this podcast have all said the same thing. We don't compete on price. We offer valuable opportunities for customers to save on time and convenience, and we charge for it, like, because it's a good, valuable service that we're providing. And that message has been consistent over and over and over. And I think that I'm saying we because I'm speaking to myself too, but like we need to not be afraid of price and raising those prices, because our costs keep going up, right? Like you mentioned earlier that the technology has basically cut our utility usages in half over the last 30 years. Well, it's a dang good thing, because our utility usage is probably 20 times higher than they were 30 years ago, right? Like they're going through the roof, right? And we're paying those utility costs, so we cannot be afraid to charge more in order to keep our business afloat. Like if our business closed down, all the people that come to it they're going to have to go further. It's going to be less convenient and less of a time savings for them. So do yourselves and your customers and community a favor and keep your prices where they need to be.